Painter's tape is not strictly necessary for every caulking project, but it often makes achieving a clean, consistent bead much easier. When applying caulk without tape, start by cutting the nozzle at a 30 to 45 degree angle and trim the opening to match the width of the joint you want to fill. Hold the gun with steady pressure and move at a consistent pace so the bead is uniform. Practice on scrap material first to calibrate flow and speed. Use a wet finger or a caulk finishing tool to smooth the bead immediately after application, keeping a shallow concave profile so the caulk adheres well and sheds water where needed. Keep a rag and a small bucket of water nearby for latex or silicone latex hybrid caulks so you can remove excess quickly. For pure silicone, use a solvent recommended by the manufacturer since water will not clean it. For precise edges without tape, guide the tool with your other hand along a straight edge or the corner itself, and maintain the gun tip at the same angle relative to the joint for the entire run. Let the caulk skin over per the product instructions before exposing it to moisture, and plan joints in cooler parts of the day to slow skinning time if you need a longer working window. Common issues include an uneven bead that needs a second pass, which you can correct by tooling immediately and, if necessary, trimming a high ridge with a sharp utility knife after curing. Another frequent problem is poor adhesion caused by surface contamination. Always clean and dry the joint thoroughly and remove old caulk with a scraper or chemical remover before reapplying. A third concern is overuse of tape causing ragged edges or trapped debris. If you do use tape, press it firmly to seal the edge. Remove it within 5 to 10 minutes after tooling while the caulk is still wet, and peel back slowly at a low angle to avoid lifting the bead. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and discover project advice relevant to caulking and other home improvements. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find leads for work.